The sounds of our environment are an important and pleasurable part of our lives. Evapco is leading the way in sustainable and environmentally friendly evaporative cooling equipment. Traditionally, low sound with low energy consumption has not been a concept synonymous with evaporative cooling equipment. However, as living and working spaces become increasingly closer and more integrated, architects, building owners, and consulting engineers are looking for quieter and more energy-efficient equipment. And Evapco has met the challenge with the super low sound fan. For the ultimate in sound reduction, Evapco now incorporates the super low sound fan as standard on the new UT Ultra Quiet cooling tower, making it the lowest sound and most energy-efficient cooling tower in the world. To improve the quality of sound, the reinforced polyester fan blades are designed with a forward-swept leading edge. Extremely wide chord blades increase in width toward the blade ends, allowing for reduced fan speed. Fan blades are more rounded to minimize noise caused by turbulence as air travels over smoother edges. These features maintain efficient and quiet airflow. Guaranteed sound levels are recorded and verified using the Cooling Technology Institute sound test code ATC128. In addition, the thermal performance of the AT, USS, REP, UBT, UT, and ESWA product lines with the Evapco Super Low Sound Fan option is independently certified by the Cooling Technology Institute. Building upon the original three-bladed design, the Super Low Sound family of fans has been expanded to include 4-bladed, 11, and 13-foot fans that provide low sound capability even in the largest box sizes. Evapco's Super Low Sound Fan is available on all Evapco-induced draft counter flow product lines, including cooling towers, closed-circuit coolers, and evaporative condensers. The Evapco Super Low Sound Fan is now employed in dozens of countries worldwide in central utility plants, convention centers, manufacturing, and commercial air conditioning applications. With the Evapco Super Low Sound Fan and the UT Ultra Quiet cooling tower, Evapco leads the industry in environmentally friendly products. Join us in making a commitment to reducing air and noise pollution with energy efficiency and low sound. The Evapco Super Low Sound Fan and the UT Ultra Quiet cooling tower. Specify it on your next evaporative cooling project. Evapco, preserving the environment. Member United States Green Building Council. Visit www.evapco.com.